Hello, good afternoon. So we're here at 11 Hendra Tor View at 5 Lanes to show you a little bit more about this 3-bedroom detached bungalow that is perfect for a buyer to put their own stamp on and modernise as they wish. We've got a lovely garden, large long tandem double garage, and we've also got good access to vibrant village facilities within a short distance, as well as the A30 as well. I love the garden, love the views, love all the potential of this 3-bedroom home. So come with me and let's take a look.